everybody. How you doing? Huh? Well, Chef Scott here, and right now I'm going to teach you how to make pickled shallots. You have no idea what... Would somebody turn off that damn buzzer? Okay, so look. Okay, so here we... I can't believe that buzzer! Right! Okay, good. All right. Oh, I can't. All right. So look, pickled shallots, but it's not just pickled shallots. You're just going to believe. You know, pickles are one of those life's mysteries because they come in the sterilized jars, and we're like, oh no, what are we going to do? Are we going to make a mistake and there's going to be botulism in these jars? So let me explain something to you while I cut these shallots. If you put something in the refrigerator after pickling it, and you keep them in the refrigerator until you use them, and you use them up in a couple of weeks, you don't need the sterilized jars. You get it? So what you do is cut... Ah! Don't ever cut like that. Whatever you... Ah! Oh my God. Just kidding. All right, all joking aside, make sure that you keep your fingers curled when you cut. Do you see that? And the blade should be against your fingers like this. Then it's not going to cut you. When you do this, it's a problem. The blade can slip. I've done it. You really want to make sure knife skills are so important. Keep it, and don't try to be fast like those crazy chefs on TV. Be careful. Safety is important. So let me actually change here. We're going to change to a different knife. Cuts for me better than the cleaver. And I said pickled shallots. But there's going to be more to it than just pickled shallots. I'm going to throw in a little carrot, a little cucumber, and the real secret part is some minced habanero. So let's take a little break from the chopping, and we're going to put in 2 cups of water, cold water, 2 cups of water, good. And I'm going to put in 1 cup of cider vinegar. Cider vinegar. This is so easy. This is really easy. Let's add in a couple tablespoons of sugar, and we're going to add in a tablespoon of kosher salt. Mix it together until the salt and the sugar have evaporated. So all you see is a clear liquid. We're almost done. Listen. I do demonstrate lots of baking. My foods are not always diet foods, but I'll tell you what, there are things here that will make your food taste better, and they're also good for you. Pickles are awesome. They're crunchy. They have the acid that is so lacking in some foods. And look how easy it is to make it yourself. Just slice these shallots or red onions. Red onions are perfect for this. I like using pickled shallots. I put them on so many different foods. And then you want to get them completely submerged into the liquid. The next step here is I want to add a little bit, just a little bit for contrast, texture and color, a little bit of cucumber here. The cucumbers have, if you don't peel them, cucumbers have seeds. If you don't take the seeds out, you don't peel them, they have a lot of fiber. They are really good for you. Okay, so finally, let's add some shredded carrots in here. Fabulous. And then finally, we have the habanero, the dreaded habanero. The other day, one of my students bit into it, thinking it was going to be a sweet pepper. It was worth all my years of teaching to watch that reaction. Please be careful. Look, None of this is a problem. We're going to chop it. Very hot. By the way, there's some things that you must know. After chopping the habanero, do not touch your eyes. Don't touch your balls. Whatever you do, it's going to hurt. Don't touch any of your sensitive parts. Do you get me? Good. So now we're just going to let these soak for an hour or so. It's not going to look any different. After, the longer it soaks, of course, the more flavor you get. But that's it. These pickles, you're going to use them really on everything. Anyway, that's pickled shallots.